Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to turn off suggested articles in Google Chrome Mobile. So for that, of course, we have to head over to our Chrome browser. So as you can see in the Discover section, it is showing a lot of articles, recent news in here. So from here, if you want to turn it off, you can just head over to the Discover option and you will find the three dots on the top right or just beside of Discover. So here you will find the option of turn off. So tap on turn off and the Discover is turned off. As you can see, there is the option Discover off. So yeah, this is how easily you can tool off your articles on Google Chrome Mobile or the suggested articles. Hope this video helped you out. Make sure to comment down below how it worked out for you and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video.